before you go out and buy the Neewer 18-inch ring light, think about buying the 14-inch ring light, because okay, welcome back to another episode of Makai's World Family Travel. We are here and we usually are out traveling and showing videos of us on the road, and right now we also have a travel gear, tech gear segment. And we told you whenever we leveled up, we would let you know, and we're letting you know. So, we actually bought a Neewer 18-inch ring light, and we did a review for it right here, unboxing, review, all those kind of things. Well, we actually have a different ring light for you today. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do the unboxing of that one. We're gonna do a quick comparison. It looks the same as the other one from the box. If you don't see them side by side, you wouldn't know any difference, but we're gonna go ahead and get it opened up and see what's going on inside and let you know what we think about this one versus the other one. And bam, this one should go a lot faster than the other one because this is not our first time doing it, okay? So this one is gonna be a little more condensed. What's in this one?
No idea.
No idea. You don't remember? It was literally 2 days ago.
I know.
Bam, that's what's up. Okay, that box, stand. I forget what it's called. Soft tube, something like that. And the shoe mount, something like that. I think that's what it's called. Shoe adapter? Shoe adapter? No.
Shoe adapter.
Mom's a shoe adapter. All right, next in the box. Boom.
What?
This. What else do we have? Oh, we got a little more things than the last time. Boom, this looks like a little remote control.
No idea.
To control a remote. And a few more items. I'm just gonna walk right in front, huh? Cool. Okay, can you, okay, you're right. That's okay. So anyways, he's opening that already. We have a cell phone adapter, a phone adapter right there. Wait a second. You're just gonna show them everything at once, bruh. Okay, and then we've got the regular cable, another cable, and it looks like this thing here. So, I forget what all these things are called, but we'll look at the instructions here in 1 second. I'll let you know the actual names for these things. Done, done, done. Let's probably not throw this down, just in case we have to return it. Thank you, sir. All right. Okay. This is Neewer. You know why it's Neewer? Because we just got it. Neewer or Neewer? Hey, bro, just quit throwing stuff in the air. You don't know. We don't like it. We're returning it. So let's not get it all broken up. Okay, do you want to do it or do you want me to do it?
I do.
All right. This one is different. Slowly. Whoa. Okay, so it is pretty much the same.
It's like a donut.
It's like a donut with a whole bunch of little tiny sprinkles. Yeah. Spranky sprank. What else is in the box? What is this?
Here's one of the filters.
Filter. White filter. You know what all these things are already. We did it about a week ago. And some instructions in quite a few languages. Number 1, we have a dimmable ring light. Check. Number 2, ball head. Stop laughing. It's not funny. It's just a word. Ball head. I think that's this. If not, whatever.
The other one.
Smartphone holder. Right there. Bluetooth receiver. Right there. Check. Power adapter with USB-U plug. Power source. And they've got US style adapter or plug, and they have the European style plug, which makes me think it's already better for traveling. Hey, watch the camera. Tripod, man. Anything else in here? No, nothing else. Okay, and then we have the soft tube. What I found out last time, it is bendable. Or 155 centimeter light stand. Check. White and orange color filter set. Check, check. And the carrying bag. All right, everything's in here, so let's go ahead and get started setting it up. Okay, so bag that can go over there. I've seen reviews of people like, oh, the stand is upside down. Doesn't work. It's broken. You just have to really just push it, okay? And quality stand right there. That's a quality stand.
I thought you said
Okay,
baldies.
plastic.
I thought you said baldies.
Baldies. Okay, tighten it right there so it doesn't slide. Boom, boom, ready to go. Easy enough. Soft tube. That's right, soft tube. Sounds like a personal problem, but whatever.
Just said soft tube.
Soft tube, yep. Okay, loosen. Keep loosening until you can get that on there. Nice and snug. Tighten it on up. Good to go. And then you can attach the camera to the top part. Okay, so you can bend it. Do your thing. Put it at a different angle. So make sure the base is wide so that if you are doing it at an angle, it's not gonna fall over, okay? What is next? What is next on the list? I'm gonna go ahead and take this off because we don't need the height. I wanna show you what it looks like without it. These are actually equal. Next on the list is to put, it's going to be the part to loosen this, tighten again. Let me know if there's a reason why you have to have the soft tube attached. If so, let me know. If not, just do it like this. Do it like this. Ring light. Ring light. Show you how this goes. It's called hot shoe mount. Makai.
What?
The sound is in the background. Please don't do that. We'll be working together here. Working together.
I know.
Shoe mount. Attached. Attached. Okay, that is done. And then we attach. And we attach. And we attach. And we gotta do a little twist there so it doesn't come out. Gotta plug it in. Okay, the one thing that I'm probably not going to... Can you stop falling around? You're knocking. Hey, hey, the whole world can hear that. Let's go ahead and put the white filter on. Let's go. Nice hop.
Before we needed 4 of these.
Yeah, because the other one was the 18-inch ring light.
It's bigger.
Right, it was bigger. This one is the 14-inch.
Say what?
I think. Learn different languages here. Last instructions were only in 2 languages. This one is ring light. Ring light. Lamp. Lampada. Annullare. Lucy and Luri. And I'm not going to try that because it'll probably be offensive to somebody.
What?
14-inch ring light. 14-inch ring light. He is just not helping out. Makai, can you please be quiet?
I don't know to turn this thing off.
Okay, well, let's go. Get over here. Bless me, Jesus. All right. Just to show you how it's done. It's not rocket science. And this is for your phone. Here, let me see your phone. Let me see your phone, your greasy phone. Watch the camera. Watch the camera. All right, so that's pretty much everything. The only thing I don't know about, and I'm probably not gonna get into right now, this is the fancy for iOS or Android remote shutter. Step 1, pairing. Step 2, open app. Step 3, shooting. Okay, so this is for selfies. Take a better selfie. That's what it tells you to do. So with this, you can go click from far away, and you can snap the shot with your very new, happy ring light. Bam, all set. I guess we'll probably go the other way.
I have a Galaxy.
Yeah, cell phone is a Galaxy is a cell phone. It's just the type of cell phone. La marca, the brand. Do us the
picture.
Do us the honor now. Turn it on, bruh. No, not the phone.
Turn what on?
The light, the thing we're doing the video about. Whoa! There it is. There it is. I am dimming. And this is the big difference right here between the other light. Remember the other light? It would only go like a little bit dim. This one goes really dim, okay? Last time we accidentally ordered the fluorescent, incandescent, I don't know, the tube light basically, instead of the ring light. So now we got the LED version and it's a lot more dimmable. Dimmable. If you want to switch it out to the orange or warm, they call it filters, that is what these are for. We're not going to use that because we've got daylight coming from the light there. Let's go ahead and do the before and after, okay? So right now we are using natural light. We're kind of offset in the corner, and I kind of did this on purpose. So we could see the difference between with and without, okay? So let's go ahead. Okay, do us a favor. Let's go. This is me in the corner. Natural light coming from the window at a slight angle that can get me by. But if you want to take it to another level, give me just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little tiny bit. Click it, just click it. What are you doing?
Trying to click it.
No, turn it on. Can you turn it on?
Yeah. Okay.
Can you get your uncle out of here also? Okay, Keeks. Okay, Mr. Keeks. Okay, Mr. Keith. Go with your uncle. Go with your nephew. Go with your nephew. Here.
He's my uncle.
Oh my God. I'm trying to shoot a thing.
Kiko, come on.
Come on, Uncle Keek.
Uncle Keek.
They want to be in the video.
Sweet baby Jesus. Can you go back over there and help it on out? That is just the light coming from the window. Oh, it's so nice. And then go ahead. Give me a little bit. Oh, a little more. Little more. Little more. Okay. And now, oh my God, it's filling in. It's filling in. And this is not with the light directly behind the camera, with the camera attached. Let me go ahead and do that real quick, and then we'll be done with this whole thing. All right. So let me go ahead and swap it out for you. Give us 1 second. All right, we're back. We're back, and we've swapped out the stands. If you don't believe me, here's the old stand, okay? I'm telling the truth. And here is the difference. Okay. So can we get just a little bit of peace and quiet just to finish this out? Maybe with a prayer, maybe with something. You guys see what I'm dealing with. This is what I'm doing. Anyways, before you go out and buy the newer 18-inch ring light, think about buying the 14-inch ring light, because it seems to put off enough light for probably a good sized room. And it is more compact. And if you're traveling and you want something to travel with, this right here, this is more your speed. Something like this goes in your luggage, carried it around, not a big deal. The other one was a bit too much. It was just a little bit too much. That is my suggestion. Look at the 14-inch ring light first and make sure you go LED, because the dimmability versus the fluorescent, incandescent, whatever it is, bulb is night and day, pun intended. So go with the LED for one. And my suggestion, unless you got a big old studio somewhere, is try out the 14-inch. If that's wrong for whatever reason, let us know, but you can save yourself, about 20, 30 bucks. And go ahead and get the 14-inch and be good to go for what you need. So thank you all for hanging in there for another Makai's World unboxing, review, travel tech, everything. This is the newer 14-inch LED ring light. Go ahead and pick one up. In the description below, there's going to be links to all these things. I'll say this again, in the description below, there are links to this. Save yourself a little money, in my humble opinion, and pick this one up, because it is a better bet, at least for us. And plus the other one, it was a bit much in all aspects. So check out the 14-inch. That's my suggestion to you. We love you. That might have been a bit much. It's kind of like the 18-inch ring light. Might have been a bit much. So newer 14-inch LED ring light. I think I'm gonna like it. I will let you know. So thank you all again. Make sure you comment, subscribe, share, all those great things. So thank you. We'll see you next time, right? Pura vida and peace. Okay, let's pose. Let's do some posing now. Now we have some supplementary light. Oh my goodness, it's getting even brighter. Everybody can see my face, can see my blemishes. Hey, let's do some glamour shots. All right. So, anyways, this is from Makai's World. I'm trying my best, people. I'm trying my best. So I'm gonna clear the room because we need these for our thumbnails. Thumbnail pictures for the ones that you see on YouTube. Look. Look, surprise face for the thumbnail. Surprise face. All right, look at these. Look, if when we're watching this video, you're gonna see those little rings, the little rings in our eyes. Little rings. That means we're famous. No, but there's little rings.
I know.
Seriously, we need quiet. Do you understand what it's like to have a really terrible sounding video? And please stop chewing on the box. If we have to return this thing, it's gonna have your DNA all over it. Put it down. Here, I'm probably gonna crop you out, to be honest with you. I'm gonna crop you right on out of there. So you might want to get up a little higher, because if I've got the option, you're getting cropped out. Please just pray for me and my family.